Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a KO Lee model S714 H. That's a hydraulic feed, 7x14 travels, hydraulic surface grinder. Has a Walker ceramic chuck in. I believe that chuck looks like a standard 6x12 to me. There's a 7-inch wheel in, though, that will handle a wheel up to about an inch bigger. There's your switches, spindle on, table travel and coolant. Coolant tank's in great shape. We didn't fill it up with coolant, but you hit it on, you could hear it come on. Someone cracked the overhang for the coolant arm, so that was welded, but aside from that, that's the only real blemish. It hangs out, so it's susceptible to getting banged on. And there was something leaning. This machine was sitting for years in a shop where it was unused, and they had stuff piled on it. Something must have reacted with the handle, like the acids in the cardboard from a cardboard box that was piled on it. And then they had stuff piled on top of the tank cover, and the paint bubbled up a little there. But aside from that, it's all original paint. Machine saw very little use. Put the spindle on. There's the spindle. You can hear the spindle's nice and quiet. Put the table on. I have the stroke set short right now. It's not whipping back and forth. Speed it up. I don't want to go too fast because it's only standing on a pallet. It only feeds one axis in and out. You still do manually as far as I can see. You would still step it over by hand. And your down feed, of course, it's a manual feed grinder. There's your up, there's your down feed on that. Don't feel backlash, everything is nice and tight. I believe we may have some manuals. No, those are not manuals for that. We have the feet that go under the machine. Nice and clean in the cabinet, but no, I don't have a manual. Goes a lot faster. Like I said, I don't want to shake it over on the pallet, but it still can go further, only just about past halfway. Yeah, you could hear that spindle is very quiet. Bearings sound good. Like I said, all original paint. The paint's all in the pan area, all in the column. Overall, it's a nice, clean machine. Currently wired for low voltage 3-phase. Look at that, even the light works. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.